nose strips will never make you stop snoring. Now, while this may help you breathe better, they simply just don't stay on, especially when you sweat at night. If you're looking to stop snoring and get rid of nasal congestion, you need this nose clip. This is designed to apply a gentle pressure to your septum, which opens up your nasal passage. This means that oxygen will flow through your nose at a much higher rate. Because of this, your blocked airways start to open up and the snoring goes away almost instantly. If you or someone you know snores terribly and needs this, make sure to check out our bio.